guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome. I'm so happy you decided to stop by today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my bun tutorial. In my previous video I got a request to do this, so here I am. It's super easy and I will let you know how to go from this to a really pretty sleek bun. All right, so first things first, we have to tame the beast, basically. So what you wanna do is you wanna take a spray bottle and just spritz the water only around the perimeter of your hair. I really wanna try and keep this back part dry because when I do my bun later, it'll look better. So I'm just gonna take my spray bottle and start spraying the perimeter of my hair. So once you've sprayed what you feel like is enough water for your hair, you can take a conditioner, any kind of conditioner or styling product. I'm gonna be using my Garnier Fructis Buttercream, and basically just place this around the perimeter of my hair because it's gonna help me smooth down my hair with a brush. Now I'm going to take my Tangle Ease brush and use this to get out any knots or clumps that may be up here at the top of my head. You can just use a bristle brush, which I will be going in with one of those later, but I just feel like doing this step first really helps to make my hair a lot more smooth when I go and do my bun and things like that. So I'm just gonna take this and just kind of start brushing my hair up to the top of my head. Then after that, I'm gonna take my bristle brush or hard brush, whatever you call it, and slick my hair up some more. Okay, so after you have basically made your arm fall off brushing your hair up, you can go ahead and take some Eco Styler gel, and I just like to put this on the back and on the front sides, like around this area, to help smooth it down. And then we'll go back in with our brush again and slick it down some more. It's a process, guys. All right, so once you've got your gel in and you've rebrushed your hair, now it's finally time to form the bun. And I just realized I did not bring my bobby pins over here. Okay, it's fine. So I like to form my buns as if I'm starting a pineapple. So I grip my hair from the back of my head like this. And then I take my ponytail and I wrap it around, just going straight down, and I don't pull it all the way through. And then I wrap it around again, grab the hair at the front, and then pull, and that is that. And then I just kind of like fix it and rotate it to where I want it to be. And now I'm gonna take some bobby pins and just kind of pin down places that I think need to be pinned. For the pieces at the top that stick up like this, I take an open bobby pin, and these are just a little bit easier to do like these types of pieces with. So basically you can just open it up a little bit, and I just like put it in the middle of the piece that I want to go down, and I just push it down, and see how it just kind of like makes it disappear. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this piece. And I always like have to fluff my bun just to like make sure I'm getting the shape that I want. So now that our bun is formed, it is time to tackle my favorite part, if it comes out good, baby hairs. So I'm gonna take this little edge brush and my Eco Styler gel and just go ahead and do my baby hairs. Once you finish your baby hairs, you can take a silk or satin scarf and just wrap it around the base of your hair. This will just make everything stay nice and slick down throughout the day. I just leave this on for 3 to 5 minutes, so I'll be back to show you guys the finished result. All right, you guys, this is the finished hairstyle, hair look. Super easy. It does require a lot of arm work, but what natural hairstyle doesn't? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Adios.